Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Proton VPN with Mullvad VPN. So let's get right into it. So both offer top-tier security, AES 256 encryption with no logs policy and open source apps. But if I talk about Mullvad VPN, it takes privacy to the next level with no email, no personal data, just a random account number. And if I talk about Proton VPN on the same aspect, it still respects your privacy, but you'll need an account and an email. So Proton VPN offers secure core routing, NetShield, and top over VPN. It shines here as it unlocks Netflix, Prime Video, and more with ease. And if you talk about pricing, it starts at around $4 per month if billed annually. And if I go over the pricing section here, I can show it to you. Like it starts at around, it is in euros here, but you can change it around there. So it's around 4 euros per month, and it can goes up to 9.99 euros per month, depending on the plan you choose. Now, if we talk about Mullvad VPN, as you have discussed before, that it has encryption and everything. So Mullvad is basically more minimal, meaning it has no frills and super consistent. In a speed test, it tends to be slightly faster as compared to Proton. It doesn't officially support streaming and often gets blocked on Netflix, Hulu, and all those streaming websites. If we talk about pricing, as we did with Proton, so the pricing of Mullvad is basically €5 per month with no discounts and no contracts. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in figuring out which one is better for you, Mullvad or Proton. Thank you so much for watching.